Right, this is day 7 of our walk around the island of Luzon, and this is the beach of San Fabian. It's 7 a.m. and in a bit going to head out and then start walking towards Rosario, which is 17k from here. And from there, we head to Baguio tomorrow, which is, I think, our most challenging part because it's uphill. So it's quite terrifying, but at the same time, very exciting. So we just day 7 of walk heading to Rosario. Right, start of the ascent. Hey, so we're heading to Rosario, and we have like 15 kilometers left to walk. And after Rosario, see that mountain there? That's Baguio. That's Baguio, baby.
You
We're
can't see
planning
it.
to Baguio tomorrow, and we're excited.
My feet aren't excited.
You see that road, right? So yeah, we are slowly ascending to Baguio, and we are just only heading to Rosario. Fucking yeah. Just passing through the village. Just stopping by here in one of the most useful establishment here in the Philippines, the Sari Sari Store. Carl is having a watermelon popsicles, and Auntie is willing to give us free water over there. Just deleted some bits. Fuck me. Morning po. This way?
Bili na. Mga gamit sa bahay at iba pa, bili na.
Zawan. That's the bit that we're going to climb tomorrow. Baguio City is on top of that mountain. Just eating. Don't care about anything. It's just another day of walking, and we still don't know why we're doing this. But look at the view.
That's why we're doing it. Look at
That's why we're doing it. Yeah, I've been loving this walk. But the downhill is my worst enemy. Carl is so fucking soaked with sweat now. Shit. Right, that's the hanging bridge that we're going to cross over. Found this place. Nicole is trying to squeeze out the sweat out of his shirt. Come on, do it. Yeah, you can make soup out of it. There's a fuck you sign. Fuck you sign.
Imagine trying to scratch inside your ear with a hoop. Not practical.
Guys, ever see the jungle Jollibee? Ta-da!
Jungle food. Fast food in the middle of the jungle, mate.
The Holy Trinity assemble, you guys. So that's, I don't know, my camera cannot really go farther than this. This is the maximum, but the Holy Trinity is the Jollibee, KFC, and McDonald's popping out from the jungle. Getting ourselves some French vanilla. 7-Eleven. Arrive in Rosario. This is Rosario, La Union. Thank you. So we're just here in Rosario, La Union, and we found like a motel or something like that. And this is where we're staying.